creamy salad is a must try. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe we're going to be making green papaya Russian style salad, and we'll be needing our green papaya. I've peeled the one I'm going to be using, followed by our sweet potatoes. I'm using sweet potatoes for this recipe. You can use Irish potato, that's fine, but I'm using sweet potato which I've peeled. Then we'll be needing cucumber, then some carrots. I'll be adding some lemon juice. Then what you see here is peanuts butter vinaigrette. I love pepper in my salad. You can do without it, it's totally optional. Then we have onions, then our cream, and then we also have our diced egg. So to begin with, we start by dicing the diceables, the papaya, the carrots, the cucumber, and the sweet potato. So we'll start with the papaya first, the green papaya. Dice this to the size of your choice, just like you see here. Yours can be smaller, that's okay, whatever you desire. So while this is on, we have our hot water on the fire, and like this, I'm done with this papaya. We want it a bit tender, so we're going to be cooking it for some minutes on the heat. So get this and empty it into your boiling water. Add a pinch of salt or sugar for a taste. Let that be cooking, and then we'll go in, dice our carrots and our sweet potato. These two can go in at the same time, they cook about the same time. So I'm going to be adding this to the boiling water once I'm done dicing. If this is your first time of coming across my videos, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. And to my returning subscribers, you are awesome. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for being here. Now we've returned back to the heat. Check our papaya is tender enough. The next thing we're going to be adding now is the sweet potatoes and diced carrots. This one will not take long. We just want it to be a little tender so that when you're eating it, it will not be too crunchy, but in between crunchy and tenderness. So while that is cooking, I quickly sliced my cucumber. Now you can decide to peel off the back of your cucumber, that's optional. I want the greeny parts. I use salt when washing, so don't be scared, it's safe. Now dice this cucumber to any size of your choice and then set it aside. After dicing my cucumber, I set this aside and then went back to check on the other ingredients, the papaya, carrot, and sweet potato, and checked it was just okay. Just about 10-15 minutes of boiling, it's okay because they are not that big, you see. Now this, empty this into a sieve and then go in with some cold water to stop the cooking, because you do not want your salad to be mushy. You still want to feel it, whole as it is when you eat, when you're dishing it to eat. Now we'll set the cooked ingredient and the cucumber together aside, and we'll start our cream. I'll go in first with the peanut vinaigrette. Then the next thing I'll squeeze in is my lemon juice. If you do not want your lemon juice, it's optional, but I want that a little bit taste of lemon in my salad. So I use like 1 tablespoon. Then I went in with my pepper, fresh pepper. You can use any pepper of choice. I used my fresh pepper, 1 tablespoon. Go in with my 2 diced eggs. And then we'll mix this together. After that, we bring in our cucumber, carrots, and papaya and sweet potato into the mix. We're going to be doing this mixing bit by bit. Go in with some onions and then our mayonnaise, and we mix. Stir everything well to combine so that you can get that your creamy salad. Now let me know in the comment section, will you be trying this? What would you like to pair it with? Grilled fish, fried plantain, some fried rice, or some jollof rice? I'd like to hear your opinion in the comment section. Now we go in with the remaining ingredients and we continue to mix until we are done with our mixing. Now mix this well, combine everything together. You can add a pinch of salt to taste, to add more taste to it. Stir everything well to combine. Man, this is already looking inviting. Can you see? So creamy. Wow. Look how our salad is. And like this, our salad is ready. Our papaya Russian style salad. So let me serve it and enjoy. Now, will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section if you do. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe if you've not done so. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.